If you have a woodworking business in 2026, these are 5 brands that you need to know about. It's gonna make your life so much easier, and these brands are gonna help you be more profitable in 2026. And these aren't gonna be like the basic brands that everyone's heard of. I can guarantee you that at least 2 of these brands you have never heard about, probably more than 2 of them. Let's get started. The first brand that you need to know about is Total Boat Epoxy. Now, if you've been around my channel for any length of time, you've probably seen me create epoxy woodworking projects with Total Boat Epoxy. Obviously, I buy a lot of their epoxy. You've probably seen me make small projects like little charcuterie boards. I've got videos that I'll link down in the description where I walk you through my exact process for how I make these charcuterie boards. I've done larger epoxy projects. I've done coffee river tables. I am currently right now this week, I'm working on a large dining room table for a customer. I'm going to be selling that table for about $5,000. It's a 9-foot long table. It's got black walnut on either side, and down the middle, he wants a dyed black kind of river epoxy feature in the middle of that table. And of course, for that, I'm using Total Boat Epoxy. A couple of just things you want to watch out for or keep in mind when you're selecting the epoxy for your project is you want to make sure that you get the right epoxy for the project you're working on. So for example, when you go on Total Boat's website, you're going to see a lot of different epoxy options, which is a good thing. They have epoxy options for tons of different applications. Make sure you get the right epoxy for the job. A couple of things you really want to pay attention to is your max depth pour. So like right here, this is the Fathom epoxy, and this is for up to 2-inch deep pours. Or if you're doing like a really small project like this, you can even go up to 3 inches per pour. For epoxy, that is crazy, crazy thick. Now, if you're doing a project that you're doing something even thicker than, let's say, 2 inches for a large project, you can make that pour in multiple passes. I've done this before. So maybe you pour 1 inch, let that cure, and then mix up another batch of epoxy a few days later, pour it in the mold a second time, and that's how you'll get your depth that you need for that project. So really pay attention to that. If you want to save some money, Total Boat has some epoxies that are for thinner epoxy pours. But what you don't want to do is buy epoxy that's for a thin pour and try to pour like 3 inches deep. It's not going to cure correctly. It's going to crack. It's going to overheat on you. And that's not Total Boat's fault. That's because you bought the wrong product. So make sure you get the right type of product, the right type of epoxy. Total Boat also has tabletop epoxies. If you've been to a restaurant and there's a dining table in the restaurant that has that epoxy feel on top, that table was finished with tabletop epoxy. But once again, you don't want to use that kind of epoxy for like a river table or a charcuterie board. So just make sure you're picking up the right product. Total Boat also has tons of other products like CA glue that's just nice to use around the house. I also use Total Boat's CA glue when I'm filling in small voids in epoxy projects. It's really nice because it cures in like 3 minutes. Then I can get on with my sanding and finishing of my project. I'm just a huge fan of Total Boat stuff. They also have, mixers, mixing cups, lots of other accessories that are great for any of your epoxy woodworking projects, and their customer service is also amazing. So I'm a huge fan of theirs. If you want to check out any Total Boat stuff, there's a link down in the description, and it'll also save you a little money if you use that link. So check it out if you want to. Now let's talk about brand number 2. The second brand you need to know about if you are starting or continuing a woodworking business in 2026 is Crafted Elements. If you want to make epoxy projects like this board that I just showed you, you need to know about Crafted Elements molds and router templates. Crafted Elements silicone molds make pouring epoxy projects super, super easy for a couple of reasons. First, you don't have to build the mold yourself. That's a huge advantage. Trying to make sure a mold is leak-proof is a lot more difficult than you may think. It involves putting down resin tape, caulking it, testing it. It's a lot of work. And then if you don't do a good job and you have an epoxy leak, it is a nightmare. Trust me, I know from experience. The other thing that's awesome about Crafted Elements molds is that they're reusable. If you spray them down, which you absolutely should, with mold release, you can use their molds 20, 30, 40 times before they finally wear out. And if you're selling your epoxy projects, you're going to get a fantastic ROI on your investment in those molds and those router templates. Some of my favorite molds they have a ton of options on their website. I love the charcuterie board molds. I I just think they're a ton of fun. They have lots of different handle shapes that you can choose from and matching router templates. They also have lots of coffee table molds, varying sizes if you're wanting to do some small to medium-sized river coffee tables. They also have some really cool chessboard epoxy molds and some coaster epoxy molds. They got lots of options. And of course, the link to their website's down in the description with a discount code if you want to check it out. Crafted Elements, they're amazing. They don't know that I'm making this video. None of these brands do, but I'm telling you, they make awesome products. Hey, quick timeout. I just wanted to say that if you have enjoyed this video so far, or if you've learned something, if you can hit the subscribe button, that would mean the world to me. In 2026, my goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers on the channel. Every subscriber counts. So thank you so much. It's the way you get back on YouTube. I really, really appreciate it. All right, let's keep on going with the video. Brand number 3, and this is the last brand that kind of has to deal with epoxy type projects, but brand number 3 is Black Diamond Pigments. Now this is the epoxy colored pigments that I've been using for a long time, many, many years. And I really love Black Diamond Pigments for a couple of reasons. One, they give you lots of color selection on their website. I mean, these colors are so awesome. And so you can really get dialed into the exact color that your client wants with their epoxy project because Black Diamond has so many options. The other reason I love using Black Diamond pigments is because it's a powder pigment. There are other epoxy pigments on the market that are liquid pigments. And what I think, kind of my personal theory, is that if you're putting liquid into a 2-part epoxy, that can throw off the ratio of resin to hardener, and you might not get a good epoxy cure. Because of that, I like using the powder pigments. And as you can see here, this is a project that's already cured. This just blends so well. The color is so rich. It just comes out looking fantastic. Black Diamond Pigments, they're amazing, and they're not that expensive. Also, if you get like one of these, I think this is a 4-ounce jar, it will last you forever. So I really think this is a great investment. Brand number 4 is Carolina Leg Company. I found out about this brand last year, and I've done several projects with this brand, and I absolutely love their products. Right now, a really good seller is tables, whether that's coffee tables, dining room tables, end tables. If you're a woodworker and you've been selling projects, before long, someone's going to ask you to build a table for them. And right now, especially tables with metal legs, that's very in, the modern look. I don't know about you, but I personally have zero experience with metalwork. And so I outsource all of my metal leg needs to Carolina Leg Co. Now, before I found out about them, I honestly would just pick up legs off Amazon, and you can get some, fine, solid metal legs off Amazon for maybe between $80 and $100. But the quality difference between what you're getting on Amazon versus what Carolina Leg Company is going to give you, it's just night and day. You can select from all different kinds of options from Carolina Leg Company. They also do have wooden leg options. So if you want like a lathe turned wooden leg, but you don't have a lathe in your shop, you can also pick up legs from there. There's also lots of different finishing options, which I think is pretty awesome. I don't know. I'm a huge fan of theirs. The legs that I'm showing you right here, they're for this dining room table builds that I'm making. And when I was talking to the client, he knew that he wanted black metal legs. It was just so nice to know. I know exactly where I'm going to get these metal legs from. Carolina Leg Company. It's going to be super easy. And just to order them, have them in my shop so that I can spend all my time focusing on this really in-depth epoxy river pour. If you want to invest in some Carolina legs, check them out down in the link in the description. I think you'll really be impressed by their products. The 5th brand that I am so excited about showing you is Miller Lite Co. If you've been looking for a way to incorporate lamps or lighting into your woodworking projects, Miller Lite Co. is the way to go. I like it for a couple of reasons. First, these things are made in the USA. It's by a guy making these in his garage, which is so cool to me. And when you get your Miller Lite in the mail, what's going to really strike you right off the bat is the attention to detail and quality that he's putting into these lights. So this right here, this is not plastic. This is all metal. And then when you unscrew this cage right here, you're getting this really cool glass enclosure that protects the light bulb. You also get some really cool details like this copper shade that can kind of direct the light whichever way you want it to go. And he even went to the kind of the really cool detail of including this cloth, kind of old time 1920s cloth cord, and then old timey plug. I just love all the details that he incorporated with this lamp. The way that I'm going to be incorporating this light and maybe some other lights in the future into my business is by building some lamp bases and then selling the entire thing. You can get so creative with building all kinds of different lamp bases, whether that's with wood and epoxy or doing more rustic looks. Whatever you decide to do, you can make tons of really cool looking steampunk lamps. But if you don't want to mess with all of the wiring, getting all that together, let Miller Lite Co. do that for you. This is not the only lamp that he has. He has other designs you can check out on his website. Once again, if you want to check out some Miller lamps, they're linked down in the description, and I think you'll really enjoy checking out his work. Before we end this video, I just want to let you know that even though some of these brands have sponsored specific videos in the past, none of these brands knew that I was making this video. I was not being paid to make this video. These are genuinely brands that I love. I think maybe sometimes people think that just because I'm a YouTuber and I do have affiliate links down in the description, I don't even like these brands. I think, they're bad quality. That is not the case. All of these brands make very high quality products that I have paid money for, I genuinely believe in, and I think are really, really high quality. If that wasn't the case, once again, I would not be promoting these products on the channel. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on some of these different brands. If you pick up some of these products, also, I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, check out one of these two videos. I can't wait to see you right over here.